In today's video, I'm going to explain everything you need to know about the Piotroski F-Score and how to use it for stock selection. Navigating the stock market can be overwhelming, but having a reliable framework to measure a company's health is a total game changer. The Piotroski F-Score provides an objective way to distinguish between strong companies and those that are struggling. It is an essential tool for any investor looking to minimize risk while identifying high-quality opportunities. Essentially, the Piotroski F-Score is a 0 to 9-point scoring system designed to evaluate a company's financial strength and fundamental quality. Instead of looking at stock price movement, this system focuses on the actual health of the business. To understand how the score is calculated, we break the evaluation down into 3 primary categories: profitability, leverage and liquidity, and operating efficiency. First, let's look at the profitability criteria. A company can earn up to 4 points in this category. Points are awarded for 1. Having a positive net income. 2. Showing a positive return on assets, or ROA. 3. Generating positive operating cash flow. And 4. Ensuring that operating cash flow actually exceeds net income. This last point is vital because it proves the company's earnings are backed by real cash, rather than just accounting entries. Next, we detail the leverage and liquidity criteria, which focus on financial stability. Points are awarded for 1. A decreasing long-term debt ratio. 2. An increasing current ratio, which shows the ability to pay off short-term obligations. And 3. The absence of new share issuances, or at least issuing fewer shares compared to the previous year. We want to see that a company isn't diluting its shareholders or relying on heavy debt to stay afloat. The final category is operating efficiency. This section rewards improvements in how a company manages its daily operations. Points are given for improvements in 1. Gross margins, and 2. Asset turnover ratios compared to the previous year. Improvements here indicate the company is getting better at making and selling its products efficiently. The scoring logic is straightforward. After evaluating all 9 criteria, a total score of 8 or 9 indicates a high-quality winner with powerful fundamentals. Conversely, a score between 0 and 2 indicates a potentially failing company or a value trap. The best use case for the F-score is as a secondary filter. You apply it to stocks that already appear undervalued to ensure they possess the fundamental strength required to eventually recover and grow. For example, let's look at Apple stock. Based on the values shown on the screen, Apple gets a Piotroski F-score of 8. It missed out on a perfect score because there were many new shares issued as compared to the last year. However, an 8 still signifies incredible financial health. All of these values can be found in the Stock Overview page under the Financial section of your charting tool. It could be a real challenge to calculate these scores over and over again for each stock manually. Don't worry, TradingView has got you covered. Simply go to Indicators, search for Piotroski F-Score, and you will see a built-in indicator. You have the option to select quarterly or annual data. In this example, we will select annual. Once you apply it to the chart, you will be able to see the historical value of the score instantly. Here is the best part. Not only can you apply the indicator, but you can also screen the entire market. Head over to the stock screener and in the filters, type Piotroski F-Score. Select the filter and then select values 8 and 9. Voila! You now have a list of stocks which are fundamentally great. The Piotroski F-Score is a simple yet effective way to ensure you are investing in quality. If you found this breakdown helpful, please like the video and subscribe for more investing insights. Happy trading!